Hello guys, so I'm here to update you guys on some little good things, and I'm sure you guys are here for the airdrops. Okay, so I'm gonna be giving you some advice regarding airdrops, and I'm also gonna give you guys updates on potential airdrops that might do well at the end of this video. So keep watching. So talking about airdrops here, I know Hamster didn't do well, and it's avoided people out of the airdrop game as you should. Yes, Hamster didn't do well. It disappointed a lot of people. But that's to say, airdrops are not like they are not sure projects. They with GMXR not scoring and dog doing well, people got a lot of people got into participating in airdrops. Okay, and those three jobs doing so well shows that there's an opportunity with airdrops. Yes, and the reason why airdrops are everywhere is because of the bull run currently in crypto. Like in the bull run, okay, so that's why there's a lot of opportunities for people to make money with crypto right now, and this airdrop is like the easiest form of making money with crypto, right? People that don't have knowledge, a lot of knowledge with on crypto can just easily participate with airdrops. Okay, so for airdrops, not all are going to do well. Most of them actually won't do well. Just like hamster, they didn't do well. Okay, so at the end of the day, I'm just going to advise you, don't prioritize airdrops. Let them not be your biggest online hustle. Okay, it could just be do not just prioritize them. There are a lot of things to do online other than airdrops, guys. There's Amazon KDP. There's you making designs and selling them online, such as using Printify, Etsy, and Redbubble. I have a video on Amazon KDP on my channel. Make sure you check that out so you can get started with Amazon KDP. I also have a video on how to get started with Redbubble. It just involves you making designs and uploading them online, and people are going to buy those designs on shirts, mugs, hoodies, etc. Okay, so that's a way of making money that I just want to tell you guys that shouldn't prioritize airdrops. Okay, but see, just like me, I'm not just going to remove my hands from airdrops. Yeah, this is the bull run. I want to make the most of this bull run. Okay, you can see that people actually made money for GMXR, from Moscoin, from what's it called, dog. So there's still hope on making money from airdrops. All right, so just don't make your you doing airdrops top priority, right? Just don't make it top priority. So getting on here with me, I have the Bloom airdrop. I'm sure most of you have heard of the Bloom. Yeah, so Bloom is likely gonna be listing next week, and it already has a pre-market sale of 0.01 dollars. So this drum has good potential, and if you have not started Bloom, can you start now? You can. You can start now. If you're really serious and determined, you can accumulate points that can make sense. And if you've already started and you're lagging back, you should also connect your wallet because they might list next week, all right? So ensure you connect your wallet. You can connect it through the Ton wallet. For you to connect, yeah, this is very important. You can connect through Bybit, Binance, OKS, and all that, but you still need to have your Ton wallet because Bloom is like particularly and heavily sponsored by Ton, so you just have to have your Ton wallet. Yes, you just have to have your Ton wallet just in case of necessity. But I did mine using my Bybit, okay, and I still have my Ton wallet. So ensure you have your Ton wallet for this Bloom project. So guys, this is just Bloom. It's similar to hamster in it because they have tags and all that, but it's not as exploitative as hamster. So this is the home here. This is mine so far. I've made just 34,000 dollars. Look at me, 34,000 blooms here, and I still have some drop games. I've not really had time. Okay, so I just come in here to log in my daily, then go out. So this is it for you to carry on with tasks. You're just gonna come on this end here. We have a list of tasks. We have new, we have on chain, we have socials, we have these are you have to join I have to follow them on their socials and all that. If you don't mind, we have academy. This involve you to videos to watch, and you're gonna get 250 this is how you can accumulate money. A lot of videos here, and this is how you can accumulate good Bloom points. So we don't know if how good this Bloom is going to do well, but since they have a pre-market listing already, they might potentially do well. And the executives of this project show their faces, so this has more potential in doing well. Okay, so this is the friends you invite. You can make money by inviting people. Okay, so I'm gonna be linking it in the description below. If you want to get started with Bloom, you can start. If you have not started, you can start with this link. All right, so this is the farming section here. Okay. mm, I have something to claim. I will claim that later. Okay, so this is how you get started with Bloom. And again, there are a lot of airdrops that might still do well before you borrow, and ensure you do not miss on them. Ensure you like make money from this bull run, because this is the easiest way to make money with crypto. The other ways to make money from crypto, and if you want to get into that, you have to like do your diligent work, study hard with crypto. Because the reason why people are getting onto airdrop, because maybe they lost a lot of money using the other method of trading crypto and mining crypto. Okay, so this is one of like the easiest way. It only requires your time by maybe tapping, playing games and all that, and you can still make good amount of money with this airdrop. So I'm not gonna advise you not to lose hope on airdrop. Still participate in airdrop, but let it not be your holy grail. Yeah, let it not be your holy grail. It shouldn't be your priority right now, especially in the online space. The other things doing in this online space, a lot of things that you can do. My channel is basically about helping you make money online. So check the videos in my channel, and I hope you find something like I help you make money and you help you make money online, right? So guys, this is the end of this video. I just want to tell you guys that you shouldn't give up on airdrops, and at the same time you shouldn't prioritize airdrops, and you should also participate in this Bloom airdrop, guys. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.